Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making pork chashu. Chashu is a braised pork belly that's used for topping in ramen or for rice bowls. Start with slicing ginger, green onions, and crushed garlic. Add all the ingredients into your Dutch oven or any oven-safe pan. Add rice vinegar, MIRIN or sake, soy sauce, and water. Prepare the pork belly by rolling with skin side up and secure with kitchen twine. You can use your own technique to tie the pork belly. Add the pork belly into your Dutch oven. Simmer at medium to high heat. When it starts to simmer, baste pork belly until fully coated with sauce. Then turn off the heat. Put the pork belly into preheated oven for 350 Fahrenheit for 3 hours. Constantly baste it every hour. When it's done, remove from the oven and let it cool for an hour before slicing it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.